Hello everyone and welcome back to another lightsaber unboxing video. You saw the thumbnail, you can see what it is here, the limited edition Ahsoka hilts. I'm very excited about this. These are lightsabers that I wanted from the jump and I finally was able to get them. I just want to open it. Let's go. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing as well, but let's go ahead and open it up. Well, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to do a review of the lightsabers themselves because it's the same ones that have been around since opening day at Doc-Ondar's. But I will say that these are the ones that I had always wanted, and I'm so happy I finally have them. And obviously, it's a white blade, and they look really, really, really good. Could not be more excited about these. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. May the Force be with all of you.